Decoding Tech Jargon. 5G Chipset, explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase that you might have come across in the tech world: 5G chipset. Don't be intimidated by these words. We'll break it down step by step to ensure you understand it by the end of this video. First things first, let's talk about 5G. It's the fifth generation of mobile network technology, succeeding 4G. Imagine downloading a full-length movie in just seconds or streaming high-definition videos with no buffering at all. That's the power of 5G. It promises faster internet speeds, more reliable connections, and the capability to connect more devices at once. Now, let's tackle the word chipset. A chipset is a group of electronic components in an integrated circuit. Think of it as the brain behind most electronic devices, like your smartphone or computer. It processes information and ensures that different parts of the device communicate with each other effectively. When we say 5G chipset, we're talking about a special kind of chipset designed to support the capabilities and features of the 5G network. It allows devices, especially smartphones, to connect to and make the most out of the 5G network. With a 5G chipset, you can enjoy all the blazing fast speeds and other benefits that 5G promises. And there you have it. 5G chipset, broken down into simple terms. It's just a special brain, or chipset, for devices to harness the fantastic power of the 5G network. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, tech jargon might sound complicated, but once you break it down, it's not that scary. Stay curious and keep learning.